How to do proportions in word problems. So again, a proportion is when you have two ratios, two fractions are equivalent to each other. Like 1/2 is the same thing as 3/6. They are equivalent. 2/4 is equivalent to 5/10. They are equivalent to each other. So let's read our first problem. The ratio of dogs to cats is 3 to 5. At this rate, if there are 15 cats, how many dogs are there? What is this about? It's about dogs and cats. So they give us 15 cats. They want you to know how many dogs. So this whole problem is about dogs and cats. So let's draw a proportion and let's label it. It's very important that you label it. If you don't label it, you're not going to know where to put the numbers. So this problem is about dogs and cats. So dogs is 3 to 5. 3 to 5. There are 15 cats. How many dogs? Do we know the number of dogs? No. So you could solve it through the scale factor. What can you multiply 5 cats by to get 15? You multiply it by the scale factor of 3, so the answer is 9 dogs. Maybe you don't prefer that way. Maybe you like ratio tables. So 3 dogs, 5 cats. 6 dogs, 10 cats. 9 dogs, 15 cats. Wait, we have to find out the 15. So the missing number is 9 dogs, 15 cats. And last way, maybe you don't like that way. There are so many ways to solve math problems. That's why I love math. Remember, use your brain to work it out. So, what if you like the cross product way? What's 3 groups of 15? 45. Whoops, let me label this. This is dogs. What's 5 groups of dogs? So, 5 times what dogs is 45? 5 times 9. So that's the answer. So the answer is, how many dogs are there going to be? 9 dogs if you have 15 cats. Next one. Ethnic Festival tickets cost $1 for 5 tickets, or 5 tickets for $1. Layla bought $60 worth of tickets. How many tickets did she receive? This is about tickets and cost. Cost, how many tickets? Yeah, tickets and cost. So let's draw a proportion. It's about tickets, cost, tickets, cost. So $1, 5 tickets. She bought $60 worth of tickets. How many? Wait. Oh, she bought $60. Is that called tickets or cost? 60 is cost. How many tickets did she receive? I don't know this missing number. That's our missing number right there. So let's do it through the scale factor. So, what do you want to multiply 1 by to get 60? I think I'm going to multiply by the scale factor of 60. It is. So 5 tickets times 60 is 300 tickets. We could do a ratio table, but do you really want to skip count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way 65, 10, 15, 20? I'm not. That would take way too much, too long. And no one got no time for that. So, what if you want to do it the cross product way? 5 groups of 60 is 300. 1 group of ticket. So 1 times what ticket number will give you 300? Isn't this 1 times 300? So the answer is 300. So for $60, she got 300 tickets. Hopefully you're coming to Ethnic Festival every year. Alief Middle School hosts our big fall festival called Ethnic Festival. Night of fun and delight. Last but not least, 4 pairs cost $6. At this rate, if you bought 10 pairs, how much would you pay? So it's about pairs, cost, pairs, how much would you pay? That must be cost. So let's make a proportion. So it's about pairs, cost, pairs, cost. 4 pairs cost $6. If you bought 10 pairs, how much would you pay? We don't know this part. So let's do scale factor. What should you multiply 4 by to get 10? Ooh, we cannot, can you? Do you notice something wrong with 4 pairs and 6 costs? What do you notice about this ratio or fraction? Are they both even? Can't you simplify that? Isn't that really 2/3? Oh, so you multiply by 5. So if you simplify 4 6 or 4 pairs of 6 costs to 2 pairs 3 costs, you can multiply by the scale factor of 5. So the answer is $15 cost for 10 pairs. Let's do it a cross multiplication way. So we have 4 pairs, $6 cost. Blank pairs, 10 pairs for blank cost. If you do the cross multiplication way, what's 6 groups of 10? 60. What's 4 cost? We don't know. So 4 times what is 60? 4 groups of what is 60? You know what? I don't think I can do it in my head. So I'm going to do it on a scrap paper. 1. Because opposite of multiply is divide. 15. So 4 groups of 15 is 60. Same answer as the other one. So you could do it the scale factor way or the cross multiplication, or even make a ratio table. So in proportions with word problems, very important of the labeling. You got this figure out. What do you label these proportions, these ratios? Once you label it, the rest of the part is easy. The hardest part, again, is labeling. Again, as your science teacher say, no naked numbers. Label these. And then you can solve it through scale factor, where you multiply the numerator and denominator by a ratio table, or even a cross product way. So this is the study of proportions with word problems.